Are you experiencing Firestick error 503? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the Fire TV stick. The 503 service unavailable error on an Amazon Fire TV stick can occur due to various reasons, including server issues, network problems, or high traffic. To fix it, first power cycle the device. Unplug the Fire TV stick from the power source for 30 seconds. Plug it back in and wait for it to restart. Method 2. Restart the router or modem. The next thing you can do is restart your network device. Turn off the router or modem, wait for 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This can help resolve any temporary issues with the router. Method 3. Check for server maintenance. The 503 error can occur during scheduled server maintenance. Contact Amazon support or check their status page to see if there are any ongoing issues or maintenance activities. Method 4. Clear the cache and data. The next thing you can do is clear the app cache. To do so, navigate to Settings, then select Applications. Then select Manage Installed Applications. Next, select the problematic app on which you are receiving the error. Then click on Clear Cache and Clear Data. This can help remove bugs and glitches associated with the app. This can help resolve temporary glitches. Method 5. Uninstall and reinstall the app. If the 503 error is specific to a particular app, try uninstalling and reinstalling it. Go to Settings, then go to Applications, then Manage Installed Applications. Select the problematic app, then choose Uninstall. After uninstalling, go to the Amazon App Store and reinstall the app. Method 6. Factory reset the Fire TV stick. If none of the steps shown here works, you can try resetting your Fire Stick to its factory settings. This will erase all data and settings. So make sure to back up any important data before proceeding. Go to Settings, then select My Fire TV. Next, select Reset to Factory Defaults. Select Reset to confirm your action and let the resetting process complete. Once the resetting process is complete, set it up and the problem should be fixed. Method 7. Check your network connection. Ensure that your Fire TV stick is connected to a stable internet connection. Try connecting to a different network or using a wired Ethernet connection if possible for a more stable connection. Method 8. Contact Amazon support. If the 503 error persists after trying the above steps, contact Amazon support for further assistance. They can provide additional troubleshooting steps and replace the device if necessary. And there you have it, the ways to fix Amazon Firestick error code 503. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix the issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.